Hundreds of French Camerons march in Paris in memory of those killed in the recent aeroplane crash. Let's get the full story.
Hundreds of French Camerons march in Paris. They're mourning the death of 150 passengers of the Yemeni Airbus. It crashed into the Indian Ocean archipelago of Comoros last Tuesday. 66 of the passengers were French nationals. It's important to be here to support the families of the victims. We are disgusted by what has happened. And as for Yemenia, they should stop mocking people by proposing 20,000 euros. It's nothing for the Comorans. Protesters voiced their anger over the airline security standards.
There's a problem with the safety of communication and of respect. The Yemenia airline is only humiliating the Comoran passengers.
Earlier on Saturday, 30,000 members of the Comoran community protested in Marseille. The cause of the crash is still unknown, but French authorities have confirmed the black boxes were spotted on the seabed off the Comoros.